If you need help connecting Cash App to Citizens Bank, then this is the video for you. So if you want to connect your Cash App to Citizens Bank, all you got to do is click on your profile in the top right corner. Now from here, we have to go to the third option, which is linked banks. Right here, you should see an option to link a debit card. So we just want to click on it. And instead of writing our debit card information here, we can just click on no card. And it will give us an option to connect to a bank account instead. So just click on continue. And right here, you will see the option for citizens. So click on it and it will guide you through the process of authentication through Plate, which is completely legal. And all you gotta do is write in your user ID and password right here, click on submit, and then it will authenticate your accounts and link them together, Cash App to Citizens Bank. So it is as simple as that. Hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.